Okay, so there is a little bit of confusion about the way I'm using the terminology with lists and collections. In programming, collections are things that you can have that allow you to have many items inside of them. A list is one type of collection. There are many types of collections. One that we'll be playing around with at some point soon is called a dictionary that allows us to associate a key with a value. So there's a variety of different collections that we have access to, but they all have their own little limitations and use cases and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I think that about wraps everything up. We talked about arrays, which we had a nice little nifty whiteboard session for that. We jumped into collections for a while. We went into switch statements, which again are just a fancy way to write an if statement. We talked about for loops, which are just a fancy way to write a while loop. And we talked about for each loops, which is really just a fancy way to write a for loop. I think that's about it.